Hello YouTube, welcome to Clean and Shine Marble Floor Polishing YouTube channel. I am just on Shirkat Al-Daim, Tariq Al-Madina, Jeddah. Here I find dry polishing pads from Korea. They have all grades 50 to 3000, and they also have dry polishing pads from China, dry 50 to 1200, I think. No, 15,000. 15,000. These are premium quality Korean dry polishing pad. These are Chinese, these are Korean, and they have a high quality velcro back pad holder from China and from Korea. No, Korea they don't have, and they have a from China, like aluminum, and they have a cup from Korea and also cups, and they have a discs also, so many discs, blades, and cup wheels, everything they have. They have tools, grinders, and drills, sandpapers, everything they have. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, so when I upload these kind of videos you can get the notification.